tired spending hours in creating videos? Do you find learning technical stuff tedious and boring? If so, you're not alone. Many people find to be video editing a very daunting task, especially when it comes to learning technical aspects of it. But what if I told you that there is a way to create videos with 3D animated characters that is very easy and not complicated at all? Well, here is one. With Create Studio, you can create an amazing videos with animated characters with ease and with minimal technical knowledge. And you don't have to worry about technical aspects anymore. Create Studio is a powerful tool that allows you to create professional grade videos for your social media, business, and for your advertisements with 3D animated characters in no time. With this intuitive interface and easy to use features, you can create stunning videos that captivate your audience. And the best part, again, it is extremely simple to use. All you will need to do is just to follow my step-by-step instructions, and you will be creating professional looking videos with 3D animated avatars in no time. And by no time, I mean no time. You will be able to create them in under 1 hour. Yes, you heard it right, under 1 hour. And I will guide you through the entire process from start to finish. And quick disclaimer here, I understand that my speech can be quite unclear sometimes and I can speak very fast. I apologize for that, and to alleviate that, I will be including closed captions with every single one of my videos. So don't forget to turn them on to not miss any important bits, and it's also completely fine to slow down videos to not miss any of the important parts. It's also essential if you will miss something and if you feel like I went through something way too fast, it's also fine to rewind the video and watch the parts again. That's simply how video learning works, and there is no shame in that. So what are we waiting for? Let's start creating amazing videos with Create Studio right now and take your videos to the next level. Let's get it started.